See, if ax is equal to by is equal to cz, prove that x square by yz plus y square divided by zx plus z square divided by xy is equal to bc divided by a square plus ca divided by b square plus ab divided by c square. So how to do? Follow the same system. Let ax is equal to by is equal to cz, and it is given over there in the question is equal to k. So take out the values for the x, y and z. You will get x will be is equal to k by a, y is equal to k by b, and z will be is equal to k by c. Now come to the left hand side, LHS. Write the equation as it is given over there in the question. Now substitute the values of the x, y and z. After that some portion will be strike out and you will get this much. See, the BC divided by a square, CA divided by b square, AB divided by c square, which is equal to the right hand side. See, right hand side it is given over there in the question paper. Okay, come to the next problem. If A, B, C and D are in proportion, prove that 5A plus 7V into 2C minus 3D is equal to 5C plus 7D into 2A minus 3B. So how to solve these types of problem? So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 problems are given over there. So let's solve one by one. Total 8 problems are given over there. So let's solve one by one. So as it is given over there, A, B, C, D are in proportion. So A by B is equal to C by D is equal to K. So A will be is equal to the BK, C will be the DK. Here BK, K is missing. So it's a typing mistake. So left hand side, what is given over there? 5A plus 7B into 2C minus 3D. Substituting the values, just put the values, you will get 5bk plus 7b is equal to 2cdk minus 3d. Just putting the values of a and c. After that, taking the common item. After that, a little bit simplification, you will get minus 12bdk square. Now come to the right hand side. Write 5c plus 7d into 2a minus 3b. Substituting the values. After that you will get this much. After that, taking the common terms, you will get minus 12bdk square. So the left hand side will be is equal to the right hand side. Come to the problem number 2. That is ma plus nb is to B is equal to MC plus ND is to D. So write it as as below. Is to means by. So MA plus NB divided by B is equal to MC plus ND divided by D. Consider the left hand side will be MBK plus NB divided by B. After that, taking out the common terms. After that, write the right hand side, that is MC plus ND by D. So it can be written at, just put the values of the C. See, C is equal to DK. So MDK plus ND by D. After that, taking out the common term. So you will get mk plus n. So left hand side will be is equal to the right hand side. Proved. Come to the next problem. What is given over there? That is a to the power 4 plus c to the power 4 is to b to the power 4 plus d to the power 4 is equal to a square into c square is to b square into d square. So we can written it as a to the power 4 plus c to the power 4 divided by b to the power 4 plus d to the power 4 as it is given over there in the question paper is equal to a square c square divided by b square d square. Left hand side will be this side. So first write the left hand side. After that, substituting the values of the the a and the c, that is the b to the power 4 k to the power 4 plus d to the power 4 k to the power 4, and in the denominator part b to the power 4 plus d to the power 4, taking the common terms, ultimately you will get k to the power 4. Now come to the right hand side, that is a square c square by b square d square. Put the values of a and c. Okay, and again after striking off the b square d square, you will get k to the power 4. So it is proved that left hand side will be is equal to the right hand side. Come to the next problem. In the left hand side, it is given the a square plus ab divided by c square plus cd. So it is written as a square b square plus, put the values of the a, see, a square b square plus a is equal to bk into b. Again c square plus d plus cd, so c square k square d square plus kd into d. Taking the common terms, you will get b square by d square. Come to the right hand side, that is b square minus 2ab divided by d square minus 2cd. So we can write the values. B square minus 2ab, put the values of a and c. After that, taking out the common term, striking out the 1 minus 2k, you will get b square divided by d square. So left hand side will be is equal to the right hand side. Come to the next problem. Left hand side, what is given over there? A plus c to the power cube divided by b plus d to the power cube. So we can write it as follows. Put the values of a and c in the form of bk and dk. After that, striking out the b plus d, so you will get the k to the power 3 or k cube. Come to the right hand side, a into a minus c square into b to b into b minus d square. So we can write it as follows, that is bk minus dk square divided by b into b minus d square. After that, taking out the common terms, you will get left the k to the power 3 or k cube. So left hand side will be is equal to the right hand side. Come to the problem number 6. In the left hand side, as it is given over there, a square plus ab plus b square divided by a square minus ab plus b square. Put the values of the a, and in the denominator part also put the values of a. After that, taking out the common terms, after that you will get a square plus k minus 1, and in the denominator part k square minus k plus 1. Come to the right hand side, c square plus cd plus d square divided by c square minus cd plus d square. After that, put the values of the c, and denominator part also put the values of c. After that, taking out the common terms, write it down. So you will get d square will be striked out. So what will be left over there? K square plus k plus 1, and in the denominator part k square minus k plus 1. So left hand side will be is equal to the right hand side. Come to the next problem. Left hand side, a square plus b square divided by c square plus d square. So as it is written, write the values of the a and c. After that, taking common, and the common part strike out, that is k square plus 1. You will get b square by d square. Now write the right hand side, like AB plus AD minus BC divided by BC plus CD minus AD. So first write down the values of the A, and here is also B, and in the denominator part also taking common K. After that, strike out the K. After that, you will get the B square divided by d square. Okay, so left hand side will be is equal to the right hand side. Come to the next problem, that is problem number 8. For left hand side, it is given a b c d into 1 by a square plus 1 by b square plus 1 by c square plus 1 by d square. So we can write as it is as follows. Put the values of the a and put the values of the c, and in the this part also put the values of a and put the values of c. After that, taking further calculation, a little bit simplification, You will get 1 plus k square into b square plus d square. Now write the right hand side as it is given over there in the question paper, that a square plus b square plus c square plus d square. So as we can write it, we will get this much after that taking out the common terms, and you will get the k square plus 1 and b square plus d square. So left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Come to the next problem. A B C D and into a square